How to make $100 per day online, part 24. Hey, what's up you guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is the 24th video on how to make $100 per day online. So this video is something that might surprise you because this is actually something super simple that you can do and you can make a lot of money doing this. Now what it is, I'll tell you in just a minute, but first smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell and leave me a comment. These 4 things really help my channel out, so please do these 4 things right now. Check out all the links in the description of this video as well. I have my coaching, I have my free courses, I have my $1 course, so check it all out. And let me share my screen. Let's jump into this video right here. So guys, what we're gonna be doing is proofreading. So if you don't know what proofreading is you essentially get a text file and you just make sure there are no mistakes. Super simple. You don't have to be a native English speaker, but if you are, even better. And the cool thing is that if you're just gonna copy and paste this whole document into a Word document, it will actually give you and tell you where the mistakes are. So super simple job. You can literally do this in a matter of minutes. So the website I want you to go to is proofreadingpal.com. So they have different proofreading and editing career opportunities, and all you have to do is just fill out this form and they will email you with the jobs. Okay, so as you can see, I'm gonna have the ability to work independently. Obviously you have to meet the deadlines, and all you need is Microsoft Word, Adobe Standard, and Windows XP or Vista or 7. So guys, anyone can do this from anywhere in the world. The next website I want you to go to is proofreadingservices.com. So this is where people go to find these services. Now all you have to do is just click on contact us and just tell them that you are a proofreader and that you're looking for a job. So they have a little form right here, and this is pretty self-explanatory. Next up I have jobsforeditors.com. So this is a website specifically for proofreaders and editors that are looking for a job. So they have plenty of information right here. If you want to go through all of this, they have some testimonials, they have a little FAQ right here. And obviously when you are making money online and working from home, you are controlling your monthly income, you are developing your skills, you have the freedom, and obviously you're working with like-minded people. So all you have to do is just click on join us right here and join the community. Next up I have readc.com. As you can see, this is a community for writers, marketers, book publishers, web designers, and more. So if you're a proofreader, just enter your email, click on get started, and you can get connected with all of these different professionals in this area. So again, just make sure that you tell them that you're a proofreader, that you can proofread different types of works, especially big projects. Like if you're going to proofread a book, you're gonna make thousands of dollars. Okay, so that's readc.com. And finally, you know that one of my favorite websites is fiverr.com. We can go to the proofreading and editing category. So this is in the writing and translation, proofreading and editing, and people are charging a lot of money for proofreading. So as you can see, this person says, I will edit your college application essay, $180, and this person sold 325 gigs. Pretty crazy, right? We have edits, we have proofreading, so we have $10, $30, $120, $5. This is probably for like 100 words or something. So the bigger the project is, the more money you are making. Just as always with Fiverr, find a gig that is already successful and that is selling, mirror it, so rewrite the title, the description. If you're a brand new seller, just make sure to create similar packages but a little bit cheaper and deliver it a little bit faster. And after you're going to get your first 10 clients, you can up the prices. Okay, so this is the video I have for you today. You can make tons of money doing this, and again, you don't really need a ton of skills. Before you, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, and leave me a comment. Check out all the links in the description. And right now I want you to watch the next video in this YouTube video series. See you in the next one. Ciao.